Some data sets contain outliers, and outliers are those deviations from the majority of the data set, and they may affect the measure of center. So we saw those outliers in the previous lessons, and now we're going to see how they basically affect our measures of center. Okay, so how they affect the mean, median, and the mode. Examples 3, 4, and 5 all go back to this chart that you see here of the average lifespan of some animals. So we're going to use that and we'll complete example 3 and then we'll continue with the others in the videos to follow. So example 3 asks us to first identify the outlier in the data set. So if I look at my table there, I can sit there and do my whole calculation to find an outlier by finding the interquartile range, multiplying by 1.5, and then subtracting from quartile 1 and quartile 3. Subtracting from quartile 1 and adding to quartile 3 to find those boundaries. But we can pretty clearly look at this one, and since they're telling us there is an outlier to identify here, we can see that I think this 200 years of a lifespan is an outlier. So the Galapagos tortoise stands far, far away from all those other animals that are listed there. So it's really high, so that's considered an outlier. And we're going to see how this outlier affects our measures of center.